Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about types of sets. First type is empty set. A set is said to be empty or null or void set if it has no elements and it is denoted by phi or only by curly braces which has no elements. Second is singleton set. A set which has only one element, for example a is equal to in curly braces 2. So this set has only one element, that is 2. Third is finite set. A set is said to be finite set if its number of elements are countable. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to 100. So its number of elements are countable, therefore we can say that it is a finite set. Fourth one is infinite set. A set is said to be infinite set if its elements are not countable. For example, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Means this is a set of all even numbers. So next type is equivalent sets. Two sets are said to be equivalent if they have same number of elements. For example, A is equal to ABC and B is equal to 1 to 3. So both A and B are having same number of element, that is 3 and 3. Next is equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have same elements. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 3, 1. So both A and B having same number of element as well as same elements. Therefore, these sets A and B are said to be equal sets. Next is cardinal number. The number of elements in a set is said to be cardinal number and it is denoted by NA. For example, if A is equal to ABC, therefore its cardinal number NA is equal to 3, means number of elements in set A is equal to 3. Now let us discuss about subsets of a set. So let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, then A is called a subset of B and B is called superset of A. For example, A consists of 3 elements that are 1, 2 and 3 and B consists of 5 elements that are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As we can see that 1, 2, 3 are the elements of A as well as are the elements of B. Therefore, we can say that A is a subset of B. Now, let us discuss some important points. So, first point is every set is a subset of itself. Second point is the empty set is a subset of every set. Third point is the number of subset of a set having n elements is given by 2 raised to the power n. For example, if we are having a set A which consists of 3 elements that are 1, 2 and 3, therefore we can say that the number of subsets of set A is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 and that will be equal to 8. So these subsets are phi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now see here, so phi is a subset of every set and a set is also a subset of itself, as you can see. Now we will discuss about power set. Let A be a set, then the collection of all subsets of A is called the power set of A and it is denoted by PA. So for example, A is equal to ABC. A consists of 3 elements ABC. Then the power set is a set which consists of all the subsets of A. Phi A, B, C, AB, BC, AC and AB, C. Now we will discuss about universal set. A set that contains all sets is called universal set and is denoted by capital U. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5 and C consists of element 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So universal set is a set which consists of all these elements. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. Hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.